Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to remove age restriction on Instagram. So very quickly, what we want to do here is go to settings and activity and then click on account center right here. From here, what you want to do is scroll over to personal details and then change your birth date. Once you have changed your birth date, automatically the restrictions to your account will be removed. At the same time, if you move it on an earlier date, let's say 2010, 2015, restrictions will be reinforced on your TikTok or on your Instagram account. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Tech Help Guy.